Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. Hey everyone, got a 1969 numbers matching 427 Corvette with a 4-speed factory air, power steering, power disc brakes. It's a factory Monza red car, so it's got a lot going for it. Visit volocars.com. That's where you'll find the price and all the specs and photos top to bottom of this car and a few hundred other cars as well. That's at volocars.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the little bell icon. That way you'll be notified every time we put out a video. You'll be the first to see them. But right now, join me. Let's go for a spin in a big block 4-speed Corvette. That's a slick looking car, isn't it? I tell you, it's not a frame off restored, not a concourse type car, but you heard the options that I mentioned it has, and it's a numbers matching motor and trans and color and factory air. It's got a lot going for it, and it looks good. The paint is really slick. It's a factory Monza red car, and it's polished out like glass. I'm sure there are some flaws, which I am looking for. I haven't found one yet, but they're there. I'll find them. The bumper's re-chromed. The tail lights are new. License plate frame is new. Emblems are new. Emblem on the gas cap here looks new. Surprise, the rear windows pop out of these, and there's actually a compartment that falls down. You put the glass in there. The T-tops both come off. They store in the back as well. So it's practically like a convertible with a roll bar. But getting back to the paint, all real nice. I don't see any flaw. I don't see a crack. I don't see an issue at all. Little tiny bump on the edge of the door. There is a chip here in the front edge of the door. These silver grills in the louvers here, that's an option. Normally they were just red. New emblems, new trim here. If you look for it, it's pretty minor on this car. There's one dimple here. That's about it. There's rivets here, and sometimes over time you see them dimples, but this one's really good. I only seen one dimple. Little mark in the paint there. Right in the middle of the hood. Looks like someone closed the hood, and the bolt for the carburetor, the air cleaner, is maybe too long. There's like spider web of cracks right here in the middle. Really not that noticeable. I'm looking for flaws. So overall, the paint's actually much nicer than I thought. Windshield looks new. Door handles look new. Door jambs are painted. Weather strips are nice and soft. Tires are new. The trim on the wheels are new. They're 15x8 rally wheels. Now underneath the 69 Corvette, it was independent suspension front and back, disc brakes at all 4 wheels. We had the 336 rear end was just redone at a Corvette shop. The Muncie transmission is the numbers match 4-speed trans. The interior is really nice. Door panels are new, seats, the cushions look good. The whole center console around the emergency brake plastic is all new. Dash area is real nice. The heater controls look new. Interior lights work. Carpet front and back is new. The Corvette shop that had it, there's a bill in there. They rebuilt the rear doors. There's 3 compartments. I don't know what they mean. They replaced the hinges and the plastic, or each one has a little button to open it, but those are restored. So 427 motor, I have a receipt. The car was just taken to a place called Coil Racing. They build race engines. They tuned the motor. They inspected it. They did a leak down test. They said the motor's in great condition. It has a stock aluminum intake. Does have headers and an HEI ignition system. The air conditioning is all complete. Everything looks good. Power steering, power brakes, the fan, the shroud, all looks proper, all looks to be in real good shape. Wiper motor looks new. The vacuum canisters for the headlights look new. So I'll start it up for you. It's got a tilt-telescopic wheel. It's got a retro stereo. And yes, the cushions must be replaced. They feel real nice. I always do that. The choke is there for a reason. It keeps the idle up high till it warms up. I goosed it, disengaged the choke. That sounds nice. So I started off by saying it's not a concours car. I think I was pretty hard on it. This chrome up here is a little worn. You got that the spider web cracks in the center of the hood, but it's a slick looking car inside and out. Runs and drives really well. So go to volocars.com. Plenty of ways on there to contact our staff. Let us know how we can help. Any questions you have, you need another picture or video of something, let us know. Also, we have financing, we have shipping, and we'll help with all of that. So volocars.com is where you can get help. And subscribe to the YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to be the first to see our videos. Thanks for watching.